We're getting some amazing news from Tesla Giga Berlin. It looks like in Giga Berlin, Tesla has started building the foundation of Giga Berlin, and I will explain you in a few seconds why. And also we see that Tesla is also putting piles into the land, piles and hammering piles into the land, and looks like these are permanent piles. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from torquenews.com. I have some very interesting stories telling you. First of all, big thanks to all our local friends, Jürgen, Tobias, Albrecht, and also Tesla Kid from Grunheide and others, Emil Senker, who have been helping to chronicle Tesla Giga Berlin daily. And I mainly rely to our local friends from Shanghai, from Giga Berlin, and now also from Austin, as well as from Fremont, who sent me tips that I share with you. So big thanks to everyone, and I appreciate every type of tip that you are guys sending me and helping us to support and grow our channel and independently chronicle Tesla and electric car segment daily on this channel. So why I started from this things, because this morning Jürgen personally thanks Albrecht on Twitter, saying, "Thank you, Albrecht, that you went to Giga Berlin after your night shift." That you went to Giga Berlin after your night shift. The man went to Giga Berlin after his night shift so he can chronicle what's going on there. So I can report here for you, and he also reports on his Twitter. And Albert starts the day saying, "Good morning again. Today it seems a few more piles will be hammered into Giga Berlin soil." Again, it seems a few more piles will be hammered into Giga Berlin soil. Here you can see the pile loading and hammering process. Also, our friend Tobias Lindh also writes that the pile driver was at work today at Giga Berlin. It's pretty fast, and I'm sure all the piles they had prepared are already in the ground by now. Tobias writes this after he had gone home and uploaded his video, so he also confirms that there were more than one piles. So at Giga Berlin, I'm expecting tomorrow we probably will have a video or picture showing several piles already being hammered on the ground, and I think this is very exciting. Let's look forward to that. We have been seeing this in Giga Shanghai in the past month or so with the phase two construction of Giga Shanghai. Now we're starting to see these things on May 20th, May 19th, 2020. So expect tomorrow to see more things on this. And Tobias said, by the way, remember yesterday's video that I shared where there was a lone excavator doing something, and Tobias said that he thought that excavator is drawing the outlines of the escape tunnels, but he writes today that today I think it looks more like foundation. It looks more like that excavator that you saw yesterday in my yesterday's report is laying down the foundation. This is why I titled that report that Tesla has started to build the Giga Berlin, start the buildings, the foundation, and these are exciting developments, friends. So thank you very much. Let me know what you think about these things, about these developments. I think there is no one now who will say things are going slow at Giga Berlin, things were going faster at Giga Shanghai than in Giga Berlin. We see that Giga Berlin is going at an amazing speed, and German engineering is shining. By the way, I'm not German. I'm from Armenia, and I'm now living in Charlotte, North Carolina, in the United States. But you know, I applaud the German engineering as well as the Chinese engineering. Everybody who is doing good work, I applaud. So it's good to see them shining and building Tesla's first Gigafactory in outside of Berlin, and hopefully by next year in July we will see the first Tesla vehicles coming out off of the assembly line. Tesla is going to start from Model Y. Tesla plans at this Gigafactory to have 500,000 vehicles produced per year, and it's going to be scaled up to 750,000 per year after all the phases are finished. In fact, speaking of scaling, look at my morning report about all Tesla factories scale comparison. Not what they do today, but what they will be today if they reach their scaling, reach their maximum capacity. Okay, friends, thank you very much for watching. And again, thanks to our local friends, Tobias, Albrecht, and Jürgen, who have contributed to this report. I appreciate, guys, what you're doing. Millions of people from around the world are watching your reports, so thank you very much, and hope you will continue sending them in a safe and nice way. This is Armin Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please visit our website as well, and if you're here first time, join our community. I've posted several polls in our community page, and also subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in our next report. Later in the evening I will have a Jay Leno report, because I think his segment is airing, Cybertruck segment is airing tonight, so I will have a report on that, and we'll see you in our more reports. Have a wonderful day, friends. God bless you, and see you soon.